Here are the headlines moving markets today. Cresco Labs Inc. released its unaudited financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ending on December 31st, 2018, reporting a net income in 2018 of $3.91 million US. Further highlights include a fourth quarter revenue of $17 million, a growth of 411% year over year, and a full year revenue of $43.3 million, a 33% growth quarter over quarter. Cresco reported a fourth quarter net loss of $2.6 million. Curaleaf Holdings Inc. reported a net loss of $11.2 million US for the quarter in its financial results. The company's revenue was $32 million in the quarter and $77.1 million annually. Cash and cash equivalents at December 31st were $266.6 million US. TerrAscend Corp lost $22.14 million in fiscal 2018 as the company reported its Q4 financial results ending on December 31st, 2018. Revenue totaled $5 million, up from $1.8 million in the third quarter of 2018. As of December 31st, 2018, the company held $21.7 million in cash and cash equivalents. Aphria Inc. has closed its offering of 5.25% convertible senior notes due 2024 for gross proceeds of $300 million US as part of a private placement to qualified institutional buyers. On April 23rd, the initial purchasers exercised their option to purchase up to an additional $50 million US principal amount of notes in full, resulting in gross proceeds of $350 million. The sale of the additional notes to initial purchasers is expected to settle on April 26th, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. Aphria intends to use the net proceeds from this offering to support its international expansion initiatives and for future acquisitions. Harvest Health and Recreation is projected to become the largest multi-state operator following the closing of a definitive agreement signed on April 22nd to acquire Verano Holdings LLC. Verano is one of the largest privately held multi-state vertically integrated licensed operators of cannabis facilities, with an extensive portfolio of premium branded products. The all-stock transaction has an implied total acquisition cost of approximately $850 million, based on a Harvest share price of $8.79. FSD Pharma Inc. announced today that it has entered into a share exchange transaction with Aura Health Inc. Pursuant to the agreement, FSD acquired over 13 million Aura shares valued at $3 million issued from Treasury, in exchange for just over 13 million FSD shares issued from Treasury valued at $3 million. Aura Health is a Toronto-based cannabis company building an international network of vertically integrated businesses in the medical cannabis industry. Grown Rogue International and Decibel Farms Inc., a fully organic and sustainable producer and processor of fine cannabis products in Southern Oregon, have executed a binding letter of intent. The agreement sets out the general terms and conditions pursuant to which Grown Rogue will acquire the assets, including real estate, intellectual property, and other assets of Decibel, for aggregate consideration of $3 million US. Decibel is a family-owned and operated 5-acre sun-grown and greenhouse farm located in the Applegate Valley in the heart of Southern Oregon, with a 2,500 square foot processing center in Medford, Oregon. Naturally Splendid Enterprises Ltd. announced that it has entered into a letter of intent with Prairie Pure. Naturally Splendid will provide CBD extraction equipment for a toll processing CBD extraction facility in Washington State. Prairie Pure, through its various divisions, will secure and process industrial hemp for the purpose of extracting CBD. And that's your news for today.